I checked in at 5 in the evening. To find the location to collect the keys was not a big issue. After collecting the keys, I asked the management to accompany me to show the exact location, but they refused to come. I entered the flat. There was no glass to drink water.
This place is shameful. It's dirty, run-down, dirt, mold in the bathroom. Ensuite shower didn't work, waited 2 days, no response from property managers. Kettle didn't work, fridge turned on off. Main bathroom a 10 seconds delay when you pull a cord to turn the lights on.
Lovely modern apartment in perfect location. We went for a girls' weekend and it was perfect for us as there was plenty of space in the apartment and it had 2 showers as well, which was handy when we needed to get all 4 of us showered.
Disappointed to receive confirmation of key collection so late on a Friday night. I did not pick up email in time for my trip, so had arrived at apartment only to find out I had to make a further trip to collect keys before going back to venue.
They booked the apartment in one place but it was changed to another one without informing me. Very old ragged sofa and chairs, ceaseless loud sound in the apartment. I asked the host to do something with the sound but it was no reaction. I think it is a shame to
Being
rent such
charged
a
twice for the stay. When I did get a refund it was short. Still chasing them for the rest of it. Dangerously leaky kettle. Carpets stained. Unable to open the door onto the balcony even though it was unlocked. Bulbs gone. From your website.